Welcome back. It's the BSR Afternoon Business Show. However, it's time for the stock market report for today, Tuesday, the 18th of May 2021. And as usual, Mr. Charles is here with me in the studio to take the report for us. You're welcome, Mr. Charles.
Thank you very much. It's a very hot afternoon there. And after trading, I had to leave my machine. I brought the machine to the studio. So I'm able to give you the stock market report. However, there was a broker who also made it possible for me to get the reports. That is a broker Bright, who is currently the chief executive officer of Grain Capital, somewhere in Yaba. Thank you very much, Bright. Yes, I'll just go straight to the stock market report. Today, the bears took control of the market. We saw the all-share index, that indices that measures the performance of all equities in the NGX platform, closed in the negative territory, losing 0.72%. NSE 30 or NGX 30, which is that indices that measures the performances of the 30 most capitalized and liquid equities on the NGX platform, also closed in the negative territory, losing 1%. The NGX banking closed in the positive territory, doing 0.3%, while the NGX insurance closed in the negative territory, doing 2.23%. However, the NGX oil and gas closed in the positive territory, doing 0.26%, while the industrial sector, the oil and gas closed in the positive territory, doing 0.26% up, while industrial and consumer goods all closed in the negative territory, doing 2.57% and 0.05% respectively. So it was like a mixed bag in the market today. We had some sectors that closed in positive, while some sectors closed in the negative. And at the end of the day, we could see that the bears still took control of the market. At the close of trading session today, total volume recorded was over 204 million units, valued at about 1.34 billion naira in 3,847 deals. We can see here that the volume and value was down, and we can attribute this to probably investors' appetite again, looking at some of the inflation figures that came from the Bureau of Statistics late yesterday and of course this morning. We move on straight to the gainers chart. Topping that chart is Initiate PLC. Initiate PLC is a company that is managing the waste in the oil and gas company. They are operating from Port Harcourt, the state capital of Rivers State. Initiate PLC gained 10%, added to a share price to close at 44 kobo. Closely following Initiate is ABC Transport, added 10% to its share price to also close at 44 kobo. Following ABC Transport is Eternal Oil and Gas, which added 9.93% to its share price to close at 7.97 kobo. Closely following Eternal Oil and Gas is Transcorp Halt, that is the Transcorp Hotel, which added 9.85% to close at 3.57 kobo. On our top 5 list, we have Wema Bank that added 5.45% to its share price to close at 58 kobo. Going straight to the losers chart, the decliners chart, we have there topping that list is Port Paint, which lost 9.85% to close at £2.47. Closely following Portland Cement is Champion Breweries, which lost 9.68% to close at £1.96. Closely following Champion is Square, lost 9.30% to close at £1.95. We also have Regency Insurance losing 8.11% to close at 34 kobo. We also have Suna Assurance, which lost 7.41% to close at 50 kobo. I also have to mention that Boa Cement, a leader in the cement industry today in the country, also lost so much. It lost over 5% to close at 72 naira 60 kobo. So that can also account why the bears were able to take over the market today. However, we will continue to advise investors, do not be discouraged because of the inflationary figures that have come out from the Bureau of Statistics. Just rebalance your portfolio, look at your investment objective, what you want to achieve, get in touch with your stockbroker, begin to look at the risks you can take, and continue to abide by that goal you have set for yourself. At the end of the day, you will not regret for what you have done. So don't be discouraged when the market is down. It's also an opportunity for you to also get into the market and buy more of what you already have. Over to you, Gina.
All right, thank you very much, Mr. Charles, for that stock market report for today. And after this quick break, we'll go straight into the Investors Education Series for today. What we will be discussing?
Well, we'll be talking about developing the investment mentality. And of course, we might also talk a bit of how money really works.
Developing investment mentality. Very, very important. A quick break and we will be back.
All over the place. We're online 24/7. 24/7. You're listening to the hottest internet station.
Broad Street Radio, your number one business radio.